can really understand that all of our strategies that we hate, their purpose is to keep us safe, maybe you can thank your strategies, thank yourself for doing the job you're supposed to be doing, and then still allow yourself to move forward in small steps to achieving a goal, one step, one tiny bit at a time. Because otherwise, and this is why this Become a Millionaire in 3 Weeks and all these courses out there puts everybody into panic, because the unconscious goes, fuck, I can't do that. And even if they start doing it, have you ever started to do something really amazingly and then go, whoa, not consciously, unconsciously, and before you know it, you're back to where you were. This is why people lose weight and then put it on and a bit more. Because what the unconscious does is go, we got way, this is safety zone. We got way too far away from safety zone. We panicked. We went back to safety zone and further into safety zone. So that if she tries that trick again to get us out of comfort zone, we've got further to go before we have to go into a panic, right? So that weight is always the best one to use as an example because we get it. It's really tangible. But imagine you're doing that with everything. I watch coaches, I've even had clients where they start to really get traction. You watch them, you've probably seen them. Oh my God, it's amazing. I've got clients, I've got leads, I've got stuff. Did you speak to any of the leads? No, which is ridiculous, isn't it? So we do all this and then we get all these leads and we never follow them up. You will have money sitting around all around you. I know it for a fact, including me, by the way. I am not adverse to this as a strategy where I just think, oh yeah, I need to ring them. But when all of a sudden it's more important to put a social media post out or clear my email box down or tidy my office. So we've all got a thing. Some people iron, Emma cleans, which I'm very happy. We all have a strategy that we go to. So rather than beat yourself up, think whatever words you say to yourself, I'm not going to even put words in your mouth, just know that you are serving safety. Your brain is trying to keep you the same because you're scared.